Amanda. We're so happy that you came and enjoyed the week here. How did this retreat help you reach your objectives for the week?
Okay, so yeah, it was an amazing experience. It was just a step back from the real world, just to take some time for myself and really focus on what I'm eating, what I'm putting in my body, and just spend some time at the beach, relax. So it just helped me to, I guess, take the time away from everyday life just to focus on that, because we don't normally take the time to do that for ourselves. So
Right.
yeah.
Good. What will you change when you get home?
Okay, I'm definitely going to be eating healthier. I was already, trying to eat healthier as it was, but this just kind of gave me a push towards really focusing on what I eat, what I actually buy from the grocery store, reading those labels, taking a look to make sure that it doesn't have some of the hidden ingredients that we don't always realize are in there. What was the question again?
What will you change when you get home?
Yeah, okay. So I'm definitely gonna change, I think, a lot of the snacks and desserts I eat, honestly. This showed me that you can have yummy treats without necessarily having all the bad ingredients. So not like I'm gonna go overboard and just eat treats all day, but
Right.
I'll definitely be taking those home, and a lot of the recipes, and I think the kids will like them too. I just want them to see healthier options on the table. So yeah.
Wonderful. What words of wisdom do you have for others on this journey?
Okay, so words of wisdom would be to just, like, I know people, if we said it all weekend, like, come with an open mind. You've got to have an open mind and just hear what everyone has to say. Just come ready to try new foods, because there's some things that you maybe never would have ever tried. That's another thing I'll change too. Like, there's things I never would have even tried, like those spring rolls. Like, I probably would never have bought those, that rice paper or whatever.
Right.
But now it's like, that was delicious. I will definitely do that. So you just got to come expecting to eat foods that you maybe don't think you like, but you find out that you do like them. So just give everything a try. There was like maybe one or two things that I didn't like. Everything I loved, and it really surprised me. Some of the dishes that we tried, I was like, I don't know, and then I try it and it's delicious. So you just gotta come, just with an open mind towards it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. We loved having you.
Thanks.